Hello everyone, I'm Aisha, and you are watching Educational Hub.
Whenever you're preparing a research paper, a thesis, or any academic document, you usually need an expert review to refine it and improve its quality. Traditionally, this meant approaching your supervisor or asking fellow researchers for feedback. However, with the help of AI, you no longer need to rely on others or wait for professional reviews. High-quality guidance is now available instantly. You can take advantage of Jenni AI, and this video is dedicated to showing exactly how its AI chat tool can be used to review your research work. You'll learn how to discuss your paper in detail, receive constructive feedback, and get practical suggestions to enhance every part of your document. Beyond that, we'll also explore several other impressive and interactive features of the platform. So keep watching, and to get access, check the description below for the link.
Once you open Jenni AI on your system, you'll notice a variety of options displayed on the left side of the interface. These include features like creating a new document, accessing the document library, and using the AI chat. By clicking on New, you can start a fresh document, and the library section allows you to view and manage all of your previously created files. The library functions as a curated collection of literature and reference materials that you have gathered. Within it, you can create multiple collections, organize them by topic, and name each one according to your needs. The AI chat feature then enables you to interact directly with your documents, asking questions, requesting suggestions, and exploring topics using either web-based sources or your saved library, simply by selecting the relevant source. For now, however, let's focus on how you can use Jenni AI to review your work and receive targeted suggestions to improve the document you're currently developing. Next, we'll click on Upload to add the research paper. After uploading it, we'll ask Jenni AI to take the role of my supervisor and provide professional, section-by-section feedback to help improve the entire document. Then I'll enable the web option so it can suggest additional research, relevant papers, or literature that may need to be included. Finally, I'll submit the request by clicking the arrow button. Jenni AI completes this task through a clear, step-by-step process and delivers feedback within moments. As you can see, to strengthen the abstract, it recommends quantifying the main findings and emphasizing the implications of the study. Focusing on these two aspects can significantly improve the clarity and impact of the abstract. In the introduction section, it highlights the need to clearly identify the research gap and concentrate on those missing areas. It also points out where a stronger theoretical framework should be included and provides a clear roadmap for the study. Overall, the tool focuses on gaps and missing elements that were not addressed in the original paper, but can be added to make the research more robust. It then offers detailed recommendations for the methodology section, followed by targeted suggestions for the results, discussion, and conclusion. All of these comments can be easily copied and saved directly into your document. Additionally, Jenni AI provides a useful option to save your prompts. By clicking on Save Form, you're taken to the prompt creation area, where you can store the prompt, such as naming it Supervisor Review, and submit it for future use. Each time I open the prompt section, I can simply type a / to instantly view all of my saved prompts and select any one of them with a single click. The AI chat feature doesn't just give feedback on uploaded files, it also works with documents that are still in progress. For example, while working on a draft, I can start a new chat and ask the AI to take the role of my supervisor and help refine the introduction chapter of the current document. In this way, Jenni AI provides real-time guidance on an active project, helping improve clarity and sharpen the focus on the core research problem. I need to strengthen my problem statement and refine the overall flow of the introduction. The opening section should smoothly lead readers from a broad understanding of cellos and their challenges to the specific focus of the study. Each paragraph should connect logically to the one before it, creating a clear and coherent progression of ideas. Next, I need to improve this section by clearly refining the research gap and aligning it with the study's objectives, since this introduction is much shorter and more concise than what is typically required for a thesis. Jenni AI provides a detailed list of recommendations to expand and strengthen this part. In addition to structural feedback, I can also identify missing literature simply by selecting the relevant option. This allows me to locate additional studies that should be incorporated into the introduction chapter. I can use this feature not only to discover new references, but also to collect sources, organize them, and even help write the literature review for any chapter of my research. As shown, Jenni AI presents relevant studies along with summarized insights from each paper. I can open any of these sources with a single click, review their relevance, and then save them to my library if they align with my research focus. In this way, the AI chat feature of Jenni becomes a powerful tool for refining arguments, engaging in academic discussion, conducting reviews, and brainstorming ideas for any research topic or question, with instant results. You can interact with it just like a conversation, discussing your document in real time and requesting improvements, suggestions, references, or additional information, complete with citations. You can access Jenni AI using the discount code provided in the description below and significantly accelerate your research workflow. If you need any further help, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.